सब लेंगे ना बेटा, थोड़ा थोड़ा जूम कर लिया करो उसके बीच में ताकि क्लैरिटी से हर बच्चे की Well, do you know what's the theme for the 78th Independence Day? That is quite interesting. I have no idea. Well, does anyone in the audience? The theme for Independence Day 2024 is Viksit Bharat, in sync with government's vision, a developed nation by 2047, making the 100th year of independence. तिरंगा दिल में है, लबों पे हिंदुस्तान रखता हूँ, सिपाही हूँ, हथेली पे अपनी जान रखता हूँ. Remembering and honoring soldiers of our motherland. Here, let's welcome our Veer Jawan of Bharat.
ये देश है वीर जवानों का, लड़बेलों का, मस्तानों का. इस देश को यारों, इस देश को यारों क्या कहना. ये देश है दुनिया का कहना. मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलू हिंदुस्तानी से बना की रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी. मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलू हिंदुस्तानी से बना की रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी.
हर कर्म अपना करेगी, ऐ वतन तेरे लिए. मेरे यहाँ है राम तेरे, ऐ वतन तेरे लिए.
आजा आजा दिन दुश्मनियों के तले, आजा जरी बाल मिले आसमान के तले. जग दे इंडिया, जग दे इंडिया. वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम. सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शिवलाम, सत्य श्यामलाम मातरम. वंदे समझ सको तो समझो दिल भर जानी, जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी. हिंदुस्तानी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, दिल है हिंदुस्तानी. मेरा रंग दे, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, मारे रंग दे. मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, मारे रंग दे. मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, रंग दे, रंग दे, रंग दे बसंती चोला, मारे रंग दे. तुझे सलाम, अम्मा तुझे सलाम.
The diversity and rich heritage of our country makes each one of us very proud to be an Indian. Let's give a huge round of applause for this incredible dance performance. Hey, I'm going to share something with you. I'm excited to know at the time of independence, India did not have a national anthem. Oh, really? So Rabindranath Tagore composed Jana Gana Mana in 1911. However, it was officially adopted as a national anthem on January 24, 1950. That was truly informative.
करके बैठने से अपना कुछ होता है लड़कियों को दिखा क्या रोज बाजू होता है लड़कियों को दिखा क्या रोज बाजू होता है ये भले भले नागर हो संगुआ भी होता है नारवानी को पता क्या कुछ क्या होता है यादो
It was a melodious song. देशभक्तों से ही देश की शान है, देशभक्तों से ही देश का मान है। हम उस देश के फूल हैं यारों, जिस देश का नाम हिंदुस्तान। The mind, faith in the world, and pride in our soul. Good morning, everyone. It is an honor for me to stand before you on this auspicious occasion of Independence Day, a day that resonates deeply within the heart of every citizen.
Independence Day is not just a holiday, it is a moment of reflection, a moment where we all look back at our past with pride and gratitude and forward with determination and hope. It is a day when we honor the sacrifices of countless brave souls who fought for our freedom. Their courage, their belief and their dreams and their unwavering belief in free nation and just nation has brought us today where we are. As the students, we are the torchbearers of this legacy. We are the future that our forefathers envisioned when we dreamt of an independent nation. When we walk in a corridor of our school, sitting in a classroom or gaze at the flag floating in the wind, we must remember that each moment of freedom that we enjoy is a gift that comes at a tremendous cost. Let us take the inspiration from the heroes of our past, but let us also be mindful to the heroes that are among us today. Our teachers, parents and mentors who guide us, the athlete, artist and the scientist who make us proud, and every individual who contribute to the progress of our nation in their own unique way. Each one of us has the potential to make a difference and be a hero and leave an indelible mark on sands of time. As we celebrate this Independence Day, let us pledge to rededicate ourselves on the ideals that our nation was built upon. Let us strive in excellence in our study, be a responsible citizen, and work tirelessly to bridge the gap of inequality and injustice. Let's be the generation who values innovation over inertia, unity over division, conflict over compassion. I conclude my speech with the line quoted by a famous personality of our nation, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Freedom is not just about independence, it is about self-discovery and self-realization. Thank you.
वतन तुझे सलाम है, तू आन है मेरी, तू ही तो घर, तू ही बसर, पहचान तू मेरी। वाकई में दिल भर आता है अपने देश, अपने वतन की आज़ादी को याद कर। कहते हैं बहुत संघर्ष के बाद हमने इस आज़ादी को पाया है, पर क्या हम आज वाकई में आज़ाद है? क्या आज देश का हर नागरिक आज़ाद है? बिल्कुल नहीं। नजर दौड़ाइए और देखें कि हमारे आसपास क्या हो रहा है। हमें अंग्रेजों से तो आज़ादी जरूर मिली, लेकिन आज भी हम सामाजिक बुराइयों की बेड़ियों से जकड़े हुए हैं। कभी धर्म के नाम पर तो कभी मजहब या भाषा के नाम पर एक दूसरे को आज भी मारा काटा जा रहा है। महंगाई इतनी बढ़ गई है कि किसी गरीब को एक वक्त की रोटी मिलना भी मुश्किल है। इंडिया राइजिंग, इंडिया शाइनिंग, भारत तरक्की तो कर रहा है,
लेकिन क्या वो तरक्की आम आदमी तक पहुंच रही है? गरीब और अमीर के बीच का फासला दिन पे दिन बढ़ता ही जा रहा है। लाल बहादुर शास्त्री ने कहा था, जय जवान जय किसान। तो फिर क्यों किसान आज आत्महत्या कर रहा है? क्यों बेरोजगारी है? क्यों गरीबी बढ़ती ही जा रही है? क्यों आज लाखों बेघर है? राजनीति में तो केवल भ्रष्टाचार ही है। समाज कल्याण के नाम पर अरबों रुपयों का हेरफेर होता है। हर व्यक्ति लालच में फंसा हुआ है। रिश्वतखोरी, धोखाधड़ी, लूटमार, आतंकवाद, नक्सलवाद, जात पात, भेदभाव, ये सब लोगों को केवल तबाही की ओर ही ले जा रहे हैं। पाप और गुनाहों का अंधेरा तब तक नहीं हटेगा जब तक आजादी और इंसाफ का मौसम नहीं आएगा। सारी दुनिया भर के 40% गरीब लोग जिस देश में रहते हो, क्या वो देश आजाद है? सवाल बहुत, मसले बहुत, अंधकार बहुत। इंसान गुलामी में है और सबसे बड़ी गुलामी है गुनाह की। कौन चुकाएगा गुनाह की कीमत? कौन दूर करेगा गुनाह की फितरत? कौन आजाद करेगा पाप की बेड़ियों से? इंसान हार जाता है और हारता रहेगा, क्योंकि इन मुश्किलों का हल इंसान के पास नहीं, सिर्फ खुदा के पास है। मेरे अगले शब्दों को बहुत गौर से सुनिए। बेटा करता है आजाद जिसको, वो हकीकत में आजाद है। Whom the sun sets free is free indeed.
The youth of our country has the power to change the nation. By means, someone rightly said that the future hangs on our young generation. Hence, it become our duty to serve the nation and make every possible effort to make our country better.
What a
what will be their future and what is the present situation and what was happened in the past. When we look at precisely in our freedom struggle, it is a long process, almost 1 century, 100 years, almost 90 plus years, because the history says freedom struggle started 1857 onwards. Much before it was there, but then in the history it is written 1857 onwards. And when we look at our struggle for independence, the freedom fighters had a dream for justice, equalities and freedom. That was their motive. Because they suffered a lot under the British rule and they want to free from all this. They want to be guided and governed by their own people, our own citizen of the country. That was their dream. To achieve this dream, they had to undergo a lot of struggle, sacrifice, even death. Many sacrificed their life for the freedom. That is visible, or if it is reflected in our country all over. What was their aim? Not for themselves, but for the future of our country. My sons and daughters will be a citizen with the freedom and equal right, and justice should be given to them. That was their prime motive. In this struggle, when you look at, people participated, all categories of people, men and women, and young and old, farmers, scholars, writers, and workers. They united under one banner that their aim is to gain freedom. But when we look at the one thing what we see in them is that in spite of their caste, creed and religion, they united under one banner that gained freedom for our country. That was the main purpose. But political influence has come later on, that is after the freedom it happens, not before. When we think of, when we are celebrating the 78th Independence Day, last 77 years are passed. What is our reflection or reminders for it? When we look at, we are freed from foreign rules. Remind of us that it is not a gift given to us. It is underwent a lot of struggle and sacrifice. That is a primary purpose of reminding us. And as a citizen of this country, our duty to sustain this freedom, freedom of equality, freedom of justice, and freedom of liberty. This is handed over to us by our forefathers or freedom fighters. That is our duty to protect it, sustain it, and ensure to everyone, irrespective of caste, creed, and religion, and rich or poor, educated or non-educated, everyone equally, according to their capacity and ability. That is our duty. When we look at India's 77 years of growth, we have achieved a lot in the field of science and technology, in the field of infrastructure, in the field of education, and so on and so forth. India has a name among all over the world, among the nations who stand for justice and equalities or fight for the peace for every citizen, equal rights and identity of their own. Unlike our neighbors like China or Russia or in what is called West Asia, so on and so forth. We always stand for peace for everyone, equality, identity of their own. We gained that among the nations, the world community. In spite of all this, when we look at in our own citizens, within ourselves, in our country, we see that there are lot of inequalities, such as persistence of poverty, and equal rights is not given to everyone, and there are social justice are not met equally, especially towards the women flock, and there are many other elements disturb the social justice of our country. At times there is disharmony in the name of God. In the name of God, I say, among the religion upholds their own right that they are better than others. Means social unrest, disharmony among the people on the basis of religion, color and caste. Even this is shaking our fabrics of our democracy. We people pledge that we will protect our democracy equally to everyone with social justice, liberty and freedom. But when in actual life when we look at this distant dream, when we think of our freedom, it is not a gift, I said. We should have a responsible citizen when we make use of our freedom. It comes with a responsibility. Why I say is that our country is a country of diverse languages, different religion, different entities, states. But in spite of all this, unity is our strength. And that in spite of all this, diversity is our identity. That should be upheld. That is the freedom or independence remained of us. When we celebrate this Independence Day or when we salute our flag tomorrow, it is remained of us equal justice and freedom should be given to every individual of our country. Social justice and liberty to be equally shared with everyone. As we celebrate or salute our flag tomorrow, let us be a responsible individual, human beings, protect our democratic values of justice, freedom and equality. It is a basic thing for every individual, every human being. But at times we forget about it. But we much more selfish than looking for the betterment of the society and our fellow citizens. As we are going to celebrate 78th Independence Day, let us ensure that our responsibility to be carried out with where equality prevail, justice should be practiced, when voiceless persons' voice should be heard, and everyone equal right is given. We pledge and let us celebrate it, our 78th Independence Day. Thank you.
इतिहास का मैं आईना, तहसीब का रंग सुनहरा, गंगा जमुना मेरी आंखें, मैं नए भारत का जन्म, मैं कल भी था, मैं आज भी हूँ, मैं नवरंग का अंदाज भी हूँ, सारी दुनिया का घर मुझ में है, इस मिट्टी का आदर मुझ में है, मैं देशभक्त भी कर, मैं नए भारत का चला, मैं नए भारत का चला। मैं बेटी की मुस्कान में हूँ, मैं नारी के सम्मान में हूँ, मैं बेटी की मुस्कान में हूँ, मैं नारी के सम्मान में हूँ, विज्ञान में और किसान में हूँ, हर वीर में और जवान में हूँ, मैं सीमाओं का पहरा हूँ, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा हूँ, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा हूँ, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा हूँ।
जोश की बूंदे बूंदों में जीत ही गूंजे, इस गूंज से गिर जाएगा आसमान की कदमों में, रोको न सपनों के तूफानों को, रोको न सपनों की उड़ानों को, रोको न ख्वाबों के निशानों को, आग जैसे बरसा दे ये इरादे, जिगरा है जिगरा है जिगरा है जिगरा है, जिगरे से निकलेगी चिंगारियां, ओ जिगरा है जिगरा है जिगरा है जिगरा है, जिगरे से निकलेगी चिंगारियां। लेता सारा स्ट्रगल और बेसिक सीधा चलूं या चलूं ढाई ढाई चाल मैं खेत मेरा होगा ये देख लंबी रेस का इनका खर्च है मैं तो चुका लग जो मिट्टी कर दूंगा फिर मिट्टी में गिर जाऊंगा जो भी कहा मैं वो करके दिखाऊंगा दुनिया से हूँ खाली हाथ नहीं जाऊंगा जब तक मगर झाड़ दूंगा पूरा तू काट दूंगा जहाँ से तू आया है ना वहीं तुझे डाल दूंगा यही सभी पे आज तुझे ही पहचान दूंगा चंदा के जाकर पे गाड़ दूंगा गाड़ दूंगा गाड़ दूंगा गाड़ दूंगा
I would like to express my gratitude to everyone who is doing this celebration of success. Our freedom fighters and brave soldiers who sacrificed their lives for our country's independence and freedom. First and foremost, I would like to express my gratitude to our director, Dr. Jose, who graced this celebration with your presence. Thank you, brother. I extend a sincere thanks to our sister, I extend a sincere thanks to our principal, Reverend Sister Warley, for her guidance and support in organizing this event. Thank you, sister. I convey my deepest gratitude to all the new teachers for their continuous hard work and support. I would also like to thank you for the students for their continuous hard work and the performance they have given. Thank you and have a